We wanted to find out how long the Daredevil drop at Wet n Wild was. In order to do this, we needed to set up a right triangle and do a little bit of online research. We found out that the angle of depression from a rider that's standing at the top of Daredevil drop looking down to the long slide that they'll end up on is 50 degrees. Because that angle, the angle of depression, and the angle of elevation are alternate interior angles, they have equal measures. We're looking for the length of the slide, which can be approximated by a right triangle, so we're going to call the hypotenuse x, the length of the slide. Through some online research, we also found that a rider would climb 76 feet up into the air to start at the top of the slide. We then look at the angle of 50 degrees down at the bottom of the triangle, and we have the side opposite of it, 76 feet, and we're looking for the hypotenuse of the right triangle. In order to find the hypotenuse, we use a trig identity. We have opposite and hypotenuse, so the sine is the correct trig identity to use. Sine of an angle equals the length of the side opposite of it over the hypotenuse of the right triangle. To set this up with our numbers, we say that the sine of 50 degrees equals 76 over x. To solve for x, we multiply both sides by x, so x times the sine of 50 equals 76. And then divide by the sine of 50. So we have x equals 76 divided by the sine of 50. We then use a calculator to find out the value of x. 76 divided by the sine of 50. And we'll find that the approximate length of the hypotenuse is 99.21 feet. So x is approximately 99.21 feet.